Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to change the Divi Menu module's default hamburger icon on mobile, giving your menu button a more custom look to better match your site's design. We'll cover two methods, using the Divi Booster plugin and applying custom CSS. Let's get started. To change the Divi Menu module's hamburger icon using Divi Booster, you'll find a setting called Mobile Menu Icon added directly to the Divi Menu module. This setting allows you to choose a custom icon using Divi's icon picker. You can select from Divi's built-in icons or opt for font-awesome icons available in the picker. If you don't select an icon, the default hamburger icon will remain in place. This is a straightforward and flexible way to customize your mobile menu button. To get started, make sure you have the Divi Booster plugin installed and activated on your site. This plugin offers over 100 features and customization options, allowing you to easily modify layouts, modules, headers, and more without needing to write any code. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it linked in the accompanying post. Once it's up and running, you'll be ready to use it to customize your Divi Menu module and beyond. To begin, navigate to the page, header, or theme builder template that contains your Divi Menu module. Once there, locate the module and click on it, or select the gear icon to access its settings. In the settings of your Divi Menu module, find the Mobile Menu Icon option. If you're using Divi 5, you'll find it under Design, Icons, Mobile Menu Icon. For Divi 4, it's located under Advanced, Icon Settings, Mobile Menu Icon. Here you can select the icon you want for your mobile menu button. You have the option to choose from Divi's built-in icons or any of the font-awesome icons available in the picker. With just a few clicks, you can customize the icon to better match your site's style. Once you've selected your custom icon, don't forget to save your changes. Then preview the page on a device or at a browser width where the mobile menu button appears. You should now see your chosen icon displayed in place of the default hamburger icon, giving your menu a personalized touch. If you're happy with your new mobile menu icon, you might also want to tweak when the mobile menu becomes visible. For guidance on displaying the hamburger menu on desktop or exploring other customization options, check out the links provided in the accompanying post. If you're looking for a lightweight solution to change the Divi Menu module's hamburger icon and only need a simple one-off update, you can achieve this using CSS. This method doesn't include the convenience of Divi Booster's icon picker or automatic support for font-awesome icons, but it's an effective way to make quick adjustments. To customize your Divi Menu module, start by opening the module you want to update. Simply navigate to the location of the menu module. This could be on a page, within a header, or in a theme builder template, and open its settings by selecting the module or clicking the gear icon. To apply a custom icon using CSS, navigate to your menu module settings, then go to Advanced, followed by Custom CSS, and locate the Freeform CSS box. Here you'll paste the provided CSS code which specifies the new icon for your mobile menu. Divi will automatically apply the style to this specific menu module. In this example, the code uses Divi's gear icon, but you can replace the icon code with another from the Elegant Themes icon library to use a different one. You'll find a link to the full list of icon codes in the accompanying post for reference. After adding your custom CSS or selecting your new icon, save the changes to the module. Then, preview your page at a width where the mobile menu button appears. You should now see your customized icon replacing the default hamburger, giving your mobile menu a unique and polished look. If you'd like your custom icon to appear on desktop as well, you can combine this CSS with a guide on modifying the Divi Menu module to show the hamburger menu on desktop. For further customization ideas and techniques, take a look at the additional Divi Menu tutorials linked in the accompanying post. Changing the Divi Menu module's hamburger icon is a subtle but impactful way to give your custom header a more polished, cohesive design. Using Divi Booster is the more flexible solution, as it integrates icon selection directly into the module settings and offers support for Divi's icon picker. However, if you're after a simple and lightweight change, CSS can be a quick and effective alternative. If you have other ideas for menu module icon options or specific setups you're aiming for, feel free to share them in the comments.